Yes! Yes! Anime Beauties, my man. The new set, one of the newest at least. The name is funny. Anime Beauties. They are not getting really creative with it. The box is really pretty. It's nice. Let's see what the set is. And if it's good, maybe we will see more in the future. But let's open up this beautiful box and we'll see it right away, the Anime Beauty bags. Alright. It kind of gives me God of Story vibes. Oh, it's just straight out open. Wait, is the other one also like this? No. Has it been opened? That's the question. But maybe it's just sealed like shit. The first pack, let's go. Which is already open, but I don't mind. Okay, I can't open it normally. Let's see and the quality. Well, I like the quality of those. The shine is actually good. It's practically the same as a Goddess Story. Let's see what the back of the card is. Alright, it kind of looks like they made a party back. SSR, by the way, just straight up SSR. Sword Art Online, I mean Gun Art Online, I don't fucking know. You know which one I mean. Oh, wait. I see that. Is that the name of a character? Is it a moose? It's not the really needed feature, I guess. But if you are doing it, please do it so that we can read. It's barely readable at some cards. But also, I like this card for no particular reason at all. And, ooh, the horizontal, how the fuck do I say it? Horizontal, there you go. God damn, I'm stupid. That's interesting. Although I hate it to display it. I mean, you have... I almost died. What's the deal with my voice, man? Too much coffee, I think. What were I saying? Oh yeah, displaying these cards is a pain in the ass, because, you know, you need to... It's beautiful. Oh, it's upside down. Is it the special one? That's the question. Yeah, I see it. HR. Well. Let's see what... Whoa! Those are 3D boobs. God damn, you sealed my heart, Anime Beauties. Yeah, we will definitely see more of this set, because I think it will be very popular among the Maiden Party and Goddess Story, because this is amazing. God damn. Right, guys, if you want to buy this box, there's the link to the seller in the video description who sells these boxes. It's trustworthy sellers, so if you like what you see and you're thinking about buying one, just check the link. My voice is just getting fucked right now. Why? Don't tell me I'm getting sick again. I don't want to be sick again, please. Don't do it. Oh, I thought for a second it was the thing again, the sword art. Maybe it is, I don't know. And okay, that's a beautiful card. I'm becoming an old man with my voice, who smoked like his whole life. Hey guys, welcome to the ASMR where my voice is starting to sound deep. Okay, sorry about that. That's a cool character to get. Woo! Yeah, alright, so that's the character name, because I know that name. And very interesting choice of art. And we have another SSR, which is looking hella sexy. It all depends on how many SSRs are there. This one is, by the way, if the camera let me focus, you can see it. Now you almost see it. It's at 69, guys. It's 69, very nice. Right. Hey, Fate 66, let's go. Oh, maybe they have Ring. I would like to see Ring and... Oh, man, I like to see those. Yeah, looking cool. I don't know what's the purpose of this thing in between, but I wish I will become that thing in the... No, forget what I said. Man, those are really beautiful. I like it. I like them. And, ooh, nice leg. I like it. Very interesting hair design. Oh, it's sticky? No, it's alright, yeah, first double. We started really strong, but can we see more epic shit? Oh! Just when I said it, I mean, asked about it, I got it. Say pay. The golden shine, like they really take from Goddess Store, I guess. What do we have here? And USSR, I'm liking it. Very nice. Where's the name of the character? Oh, there. See, like I told you, it's... How the fuck can I read that? If I don't know the character, I don't know what it says. So, there. Hey, that's a nice... Oh yeah, I can read that. Very nice. Very big. I don't remember them being that big in the show, but maybe I watched the wrong one, who knows? Okay. One thing with these boxes, once you get, you know, it's getting annoying to put your hand in it, so I'm get rid of the box and just put the packs out. It's really shit packed. Like, I don't know what's up with that, but it's just... it just flows open. That's a really long name and a really nice S, so I don't mind. Hey, that's Hatsune Miku. Very cool. Haven't seen that art ever. Oh, it's sticky. Why? Oh, for freaking 3 cards. Sticking together, that's Genshin Impact. Very nice character, one of my favorites. Even though I played it not that much. Another horizontal card. It looks like Fate, maybe, I don't know. I think it's Fate. Hey, hello there. Yeah, Fate Stay Night. Hell yeah, it's just little strange art and I'm not used to, you know, do this. Doesn't matter. Another quintessential. Very nice. I like it. But there's one I would like to see more and I haven't seen it yet. Maybe she'll come up. I want to see more special cards. Why? How do I know? How do I know what to say it? Yes, thank you. It's looking great. Finally, we have to see the other set doing good. That's Fate? Is it Fate? I think it's Fate. Yes, that's Fate. There you go. I'm going to my Fate pile. That I don't have, but doesn't matter. Nice, nice. Arcanites or something? No, I don't fucking know. I never played it. It's just, I know the babes, some of them. That's, it has to be Genshin Impact, right? Is it the chick that pulls her sword out of the boobs? Is that the one? Well, it doesn't say. Ooh, nice. Nice card. An ultra rare. Alright. Interesting. So, like, CP has, for comparison, a little bit more going, like with some golden extra. This one is just the golden outline. All the important parts, of course, only the important parts. So, alright, very cool. Another pile. I mean, another card in a hit pile. And the first doubles, no, we have seen one double, but a lot of doubles coming in. All of them, yes. I don't hope we already hit the point where SSRs become doubles. Maybe it's just a lucky pack. I want to see more different SSRs. And whoa, another CP, let's go! And it's Fate, let's go! Man, I like it. Look, that's the good packs, like that's the good box. I've opened maybe a little more than a half and I have all these hits. I think this one is the only one in the box. I can, yes! If it wasn't clear, that's the one I wanted to see. Yeah, I just, goddamn, an ultra rare, let's go! There you go, the important outlining strikes again. Very nice. Where's the name, by the way? Is there a name? Oh yeah. There. Alright. And we're back again to the doubles, but there's one special behind this one. I don't think we saw that. No, we didn't. I'm glad we saw that now, and yes, Nino. Thank you very much. Aren't those supposed to be bigger? Bro, what's up with that? The quintuplets. The boob size needs to be the same. Come here. Open, please. Thank you. And ultra rare again, hell yeah, man, that's what I like to see. By the way, we saw that character, but not in an ultra rare form, right? Because I remember the thing between her boobs. If not for that, I wouldn't be able to recognize her, but I mean, yeah. Now I do. A very interesting card. Fucking too much hits, man. I like it, I like it. Let's put it there. Genshin Impact, I think. again, and ooh, another SSR I haven't not seen. That ball, it's through the boobs, which is awkward enough, but it's also through the bikini. If she needs to use it, they have two options here. The first one would be just, you know, just go straight up and with your hands and like use it, but then you rip off your bikini, which is the best option, I think. The second one would be like pull it all the way up or down, which will take time. It's not practical, but I would like to see the first, the first option I told you about. Okay, ooh, okay. This bikini is definitely small. Okay. Wait, what? It's Russian. What he says is winter, and I don't know if that's the name of the character. It looks cool, but this confuses me very much. But if it's the other language, like not the Russian, then it can say something else, even though I can read the letters. And those are Among Us. Among Us? Why did I say that? Enormous, like really big. That's what I meant. It's hot, okay? I drank too much caffeine. I'm being really weird today. Sorry, not sorry. Thank you for staying this far, by the way. It means a lot, the support from you guys. It's been a great journey so far, and I hope you'll see very more highs together, maybe some lows, doesn't matter, as long we are together. But if you're not comfortable subscribing and doing that stuff, I don't mind. I just hope you have a great day, and I hope I made your day a little bit better. Okay. Oh, the new rarity. Is that air? God damn, man. There's some G's coming out of her boobs. That's amazing. It's making me cry. Nezuko. Where can I put it? Yeah, well, okay. That's the special one, so put it there. Nezuko. How did you... I don't like this art. First of all, Nezuko is cute. So unless it's like her adult form, I don't like to see her lewd. Second of all, I don't like this art. Even though it's not bad, but it's just, I don't know. Maybe it's because she's not in her adult form. I really like the choice of waifus in this set. You know, it's not like really random. Sometimes it is, but you see like some franchises they're going for. Like you see some Fate, you see some Genshin Impact. It makes it more exciting to have these little sets of characters that goes together because they're from same universe or whatever, how do you say? Whoa! Another Z air! But this one is really different. God damn! And I also like this art. Also god damn. Oh, this box is beautiful. I wanna buy more. God damn! That's a cute lady. Okay, we've seen you, and yeah, and yeah, and yeah, we've seen it. We've seen this. Oh god, what? Whoa! Have you ever saw that? It didn't go through. Let's put this one at the very end. I think that's the point where I definitely saw almost all of SSRs. Which is not bad, considering we're at the end of the box. Oh shit! Horizontal ultra rare with hard shine and important outlining. Very nice, I like it. It's looking crisp. Is there a place for a hit, I guess? Oh, look at that. I don't think we saw that SSR, so that's a new one. That's also a new one, so no, I have not seen them all. Ooh, that makes it really interesting, actually, because I thought I've seen all of it, but supposedly I didn't. That makes it more interesting. And there you go, another SSR I don't think I saw. An ultra rare with 3 balls, huge ass balls, I like it. I mean, yes. Bruh, nah fam. They're not that big, like, come on man. The fuck did you do with it? Use some weird magic. Oh, those are, oh wait. Yes! Yes! Let's go! Rin. You know how it works, it's just Rin, guys. Come on, fuck yeah. Irishigo with a great pose. I'm happy, I'm really happy, and this one makes it makes me more happy. And oh, there's one behind it, also a new one. Look at that, look at that. And then we end up with Genshin Impact character. Definitely this one is worth it. But goddamn, it just blew me away when I got this card. So thank you for watching, and I see you, web travelers.